Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about this Rovectin Skin Essential Barrier Repair Face Oil. And this one is advanced formula, hypoallergenic, and it is 30 milliliters. So firstly, this is a sponsored product and it's the first time I'm trying this today. So this is a face oil, and normally I apply the face oil at the end of my skincare routine. But I think the face oil are suitable for dry and cold seasons. So right now it's getting very warm and humid in Hong Kong, so I did not apply this as my skincare routine. But today I'm going to use this face oil with my foundation and concealers. I think this technique is very useful, especially if you have a foundation that has good coverage but it is very dry. Then this can help to make it very smooth for application. And same with the concealer as well. So you can find the instruction and ingredients in the packaging. So it comes in English and also in Korean because this is a Korean brand. So in the packaging, it states that this face oil is a rich complex of nourishing, balancing and stimulating botanical extract, and it revitalizes your skin to optimum conditions with beneficial nutrients. You can apply this to face, neck, and dry area, and you can apply as often as necessary. So you can use it in the morning or at night. So this one is the Rovectin Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Face Oil. So it has advanced formula and it is hypoallergenic. So the container is made of glass and it's transparent, and it is in dropper style. The oil feels very hydrating on the skin. So now I'm going to show you how I can use this face oil not only as a skincare but for my makeup as well. First, I'm applying my makeup base. So I'm using the dotting method, and then I'm using my fingers to blend it. Next, I'm putting one pump of foundation on my hand. Then I'm using my Rovectin face oil. So I'm taking out one droplet and then putting it on the foundation. Then I'm mixing these two products using my finger. Next, I'm applying my foundation using the dotting method and using my fingers to blend. I'm using my beauty blender to blend the foundation. So this step is optional. Actually, the product was very smooth afterwards, so the blender was not necessary. Next, I'm using my concealer and taking out one pump of the concealer. Then I'm doing the same with my Rovectin face oil. I'm taking out one droplet of the oil and putting on the concealer. Next, I'm using my fingers to mix these two products on my hand. Then I'm applying the concealer under my eyes, around my lips, and also some of the area that has discoloration. Then I'm using my fingers to blend the concealer. I'm also applying the concealer on my eyelids so that I can get a better color for my eyeshadows. Then I'm using my beauty blender to do the final blending. So this is the base makeup, and now I'm going to put on the full makeup. So this is how the foundation looks after makeup. So adding this oil to the foundation made the foundation very smooth, and I can still get the coverage and I can get the glossy look. So for the foundation, one drop was enough. For the concealer, one drop is too much. So you can take out one drop of the oil first and just add a little bit from there. because I think the coverage of the concealer reduced after adding this oil. But overall, right now, the skin does look glowy. So that's a very good finish because I like glowy skin. So this technique is perfect for getting the glowy skin or the glass-like skin look. So I'm going to leave it on for the whole day and I'll see whether the foundation with this oil can last the whole day or not. So now my skin has gotten a little bit oily, but I can still see that the foundation is still there. So I think this method is suitable for everyday use because it is really light on the skin. But if you don't like glossy look, then maybe it's not suitable for you. And if you have a really oily skin, then maybe it's also not suitable for you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.